Ever wondered what are the easiest vegetables to grow for beginners? Well, you're about to find out. We've compiled a list of 10 beginner-friendly vegetables, perfect for turning any green thumb into a gardening guru. Stay tuned to discover which vegetables made the list. First on our list are radishes. Rapid growth and low maintenance make them ideal for novice gardeners. This makes radishes an excellent first step into the world of gardening. Next up, we have lettuce. Thriving in various climates, it's harvestable swiftly. Fast and versatile, lettuce is a beginner gardener's dream. Our third vegetable is spinach. Nutritious and resilient, it thrives in cool weather. So, for a healthy, hearty choice, consider spinach. Moving on, we have green beans, cucumbers, beets, and zucchini. Green beans are fast growers, requiring little attention. Cucumbers offer bountiful yields with minimal effort. Beets thrive in most soil types, while zucchini plants are robust and resistant. Each of these vegetables offers a straightforward and rewarding gardening experience. To round off our list, we have bell peppers, tomatoes, and carrots. Enjoy the benefits of these beginner-friendly crops, each boasting their own unique flavors and vibrant colors, not to mention their popularity in countless recipes. With these three, you'll have a colorful and tasty array of vegetables right in your backyard. And there you have it, 10 easy-to-grow veggies, proving gardening is a joy, even for beginners. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!